cheapest domain name provider. So look down the video description. I'm having a link of this platform in the video description. Click on it. It's an affiliate link. It's going to bring you right here. And then simply come here to the domains and then come and click on it. So when you click on it over here, you can simply get a domain, a .com at 4.99, a .online at 1.99, a .shop at 0.99. Okay. But let me show you how you can even get it for totally free. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply look at the left top hand corner and then come and then click on the Hostinger. Okay, so when you click on it over here, you can get a free domain, absolutely free domain. Okay, what that you have to do is simply come here to where it says start now. Okay, so as you can see the start now, come and then click on it. It's going to bring you right here to their plan, and then each of the plan comes along with a free domain which is worth 9.99. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come and then select any of the plan. We have the premium plan. You can also come and then select the business plan as well. Okay, so let's select one. And then one aspect of it is that it also comes with 2 months free hosting plan as well. Okay, so simply come to the choose plan and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, you will see that from here, create news, you have free domain plus 2 months free is included. Okay, so you can get a domain for totally free, and then it comes with this discount. Okay, that is 80% discount rate. Okay, so all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the continue and then come and click on the continue. So this is the cheapest. So all that you have to do is simply come and then create an account with Google, or you can manually put in your email address here, your password, and then come and click on the continue. Okay, and your account will be created. The next is to simply set your billing address, your first name, last name. You put in your phone number by selecting your country code. Okay, then you come and then select the country that you are in by simply clicking on it. You go through and then you select the country. I'm in Ghana. Okay, so I'm simply going to select Ghana. And then after that, you put in your address, your city, then the province, the zip code. And then you can simply come here to where you have the summary to check that it is true that the domain name is totally free. Okay, so as you can see, it is totally free. Okay, so this is one of the best cheapest domain name provider out there that you can get. And as I said, I'm having a link on the platform, the video description, affiliate link. Click on it and then come and then get your domain.